Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade the reverse lights in your Volkswagen Transporter. Now I have a T5.1, which is the facelift version of a T5, plus I've got a tailgate, which is a little bit different if you've got barn doors. However, this process on how to upgrade the bulbs should be pretty much similar across all the range of transporters. There's not really much in it. The process is remove the light, remove the wiring harness, or unplug it should I say, remove the bulb and pop the new one in. No modifications should be needed at all whatsoever. So yeah, I'm going to put the steps in how I do it. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, and then I'm also going to show you the before and after of the difference between the lights. Now, the reason why I wanted to upgrade my lights was because I couldn't see anything from the standard halogen bulbs I had on the van. Now, at night time, it's pretty tricky when I'm reversing. I couldn't really see behind me, but now I've got these new high power Cree LED lights. I can see everything and more. They're literally brighter than my headlights. So you're going to see that as well in the video. But firstly, I'll show you the steps at upgrading the lights. And if you've got any questions, please do leave them below. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and I hope you find this video useful. I'll leave a link in the description as to where you can get these bulbs from as well. And yeah, let's get on with it.